Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be chatting about some Too Faced products that have been going viral in China. So I saw this TikTok here, which I'll have linked down below, but this creator pretty much shared some Too Faced products that have been going viral in China. It seems like this is going viral on Douyin, which is Chinese TikTok, and also Little Red Book, which is kind of like Chinese Pinterest. So when I saw that video, I was like, you know, I have 3 out of 5 products. I kind of want to try the other 2. Let me pick them up and make a video on it. So here I am now to share my thoughts on all 5 of the trending Too Faced products. So with that being said, if you guys want to know my thoughts on these viral Too Faced products, then please continue watching. So starting off with their primed and poreless pore blurring and mattifying face powder. So I've actually had this one for a while now, and I'm not gonna lie, the whole reason why I got this powder is because, yes, of the heart-shaped puff. It comes with a heart-shaped puff, and if you know anything about me, you know I love my pearls, I love my heart-shaped things, and I could not resist. But the puff itself, like the quality, I don't know, it's not my favorite to apply my powder. I mean, it does the job for quick touch-ups on the go, and it's like super cute, you know, like I didn't care if it was gonna work or not. Like I just wanted this heart-shaped puff in my collection, so I'm happy now. But to speak about the actual formula, I do think it's pretty good, honestly. I am wearing it today on my face. I feel like my skin looks very matte and very smoothed out, and just even in person, I feel like it's not too drying. Like, you know, makeup is always gonna look like makeup, but I feel like it looks pretty good on my skin, and I really like the result of it. So I think it's a pretty good mattifying poreless primer. Isn't my favorite, maybe not my absolute favorite. Like my absolute favorite right now is probably the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. But with that being said, I really do love this powder, and I think, you know, because the packaging is pretty, the puff is so cute, and it does the job, like I'm not mad about it. Like I like how my skin looks right now. I'm only using this powder to set my face in. I think it looks good on camera. I think it looks good in person. So I'm a happy camper. The next product is one of their eyeshadow palettes. This is the That's My Jam palette. It's a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, and apparently it smells like blueberry jam, which I feel like there is a scent, but it's very, very faint. I'm not a jam girl, so I don't know what that's gonna smell like, but it smells like something, but it's not too strong like their chocolate or peach collection, so it's very, very faint. It's not like when you open it, it's like, wow. It's very faint. Like I gotta really come really close to the palette to smell it. But besides that, this is the overall color story inside. It definitely has like a pinky purple color story matching with the outer packaging, which is in a metal tin, very reminiscent of their chocolate and peach palettes. But I actually have only used this palette twice, and the 2 times I used it, I did do like a similar look. So I did like a pinky purple kind of look, but I absolutely love it. I think the shades are really, really pretty. The only shade I haven't used yet was this like bright fuchsia metallic in the corner, but everything else I used, I really, really love. There is like a sort of a mixture of finishes when it comes to the metallic. This duochrome here goes on a little bit more satin, whereas this rose gold has a little bit more like micro glitters. I know it's nothing special, like I have all of these shades in my collection already, but I really like how my eye look turned out today. I really, really love it, and I think it's like a nice, cute, compact palette. I know Too Faced shadows don't really get a lot of love, but I haven't tried a lot from them. I haven't tried their holiday collections, but from the Natural Nudes palette, that's one of my favorites. I absolutely love, and I really do enjoy this one as well. And I think you can do something a little bit more warmer with this orange here, but I just really enjoyed this palette too. I think the shadows blended out well. I really like the finishes of the metallics. Like it's just very, very subtle, very much soft glam, which is up my alley. So yeah, just overall, I like low-key really enjoy this palette too. Like, is it gonna be my go-to everyday palette? No, but I really enjoyed it, and I'm like, I don't regret it. Like I really like how these shadows look on me, and I get why the Douyin girls love this palette, because I feel like in Asian beauty they love micro glitters, micro sparkly glitters, or very satin-like finish, and this palette has that. And then for the next item, this product is one of my absolute staples in my collection. It is the Love Flush Blush in No Ordinary Love. This specific shade is the one that's viral right now, and I also got these blushes because of the heart-shaped packaging, but when I got it and I tried it, I fell in love with the formula. I think these just look so amazing on your cheeks. I now have 4 shades in my collection because I loved it that much. No Ordinary Love is one of my go-to pinky blushes because just look at my cheek, guys. Like, it definitely has a matte-ish base, but it has a little sheen to it. So if you didn't want to go in with highlighter, just go in with this blush and you will get a subtle sheen on your cheeks, and it just makes your cheeks glow. And the shades that they have, like I have I Will Always Love You, California Love, No Ordinary Love, and I have one more shade, I completely forgot the name, but I love all of them. I use them literally all the time. These are one of my favorite blushes, and it's a little tricky to purchase, I think, for those of you guys in the US, because I don't think they sell it on Sephora or on their Too Faced website, but I know in like Korea they sell this, and obviously in China, I'm assuming, because it went viral in China. So probably in Asia, and like in New Zealand we have it too as well, just not in store. You can buy it online on Mecca. So I'm not sure if Mecca ships globally, but I'll link it down below anyway. Then moving into the next product, this one was more of a recent purchase for me. This is their diamond highlighter. I got mine in the shade Diamond Fire, and the packaging is so cute. Like, I really did get it because, again, of the packaging. Don't hate me, okay? Don't hate on people that like makeup with cute packaging, because I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I appreciate cute packaging, and I thought this was just adorable because it's in the shape of like a little ring box, because it's the diamond highlighter, and usually in a ring box there would be a diamond ring. So I just think it's a cute touch, and the actual highlighter itself is so pretty. Like, the reflection on this is absolutely stunning. So I do have it on my cheeks right now, and I will say for the most part, even though you see multiple colors in the highlighter, once it goes on your cheeks, the blue is the most strong. It's like a silvery blue, but I think this formula, girl, it is beautiful. It definitely is a little bit more of an intense highlighter, but it's so metallic where it doesn't emphasize any texture. There's like really no glitters in this highlighter. It's more of like a metallic highlight. So if you love that, I think you'll absolutely love this. I think there are 3 shades in total, but this one is just so pretty on the cheeks. Like, look how smooth my highlight looks, and like my skin looks here. Like, I'm obsessed. And even though it's a blue, I don't really see a gray cast on me either. So on my skin tone, I think this does fit me well. But yeah, I'm actually really impressed with the formula. Like, look how just blinding that is. You could definitely make it very subtle, or you could build it up to make it a little bit more blinding, but I think it's a really pretty formula. And again, because it comes in a really cute packaging, it just makes it even better. So honestly, everything I got in from Too Faced, I have absolutely been loving. But the next product, I would say, probably would be my least favorite product. Like, it's not bad, but it's not something like I would like recommend to you guys to get. I think there's just other things better on the market. But this is the Mounted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Liquid Lipstick. The shade specifically is called Sell Out, and this is not a bad product. It's just a typical liquid lipstick, but for a liquid lipstick, it's not as drying, and I feel like it doesn't really emphasize the lines on my lips. I think it's a really nice matte blotted type of look. It's just this formula is very like 2016, whereas now, you know, a lot of people are into glosses, or even more something like velvety, like a blotted lip. I'm thinking of my Flower Nose lip cream, like those velvety blurred type of vibe. But this one is really pretty, and it is really comfortable. I actually wore this out yesterday, but I will say, you know, just because now in 2022, I feel like we have so many options that this like traditional liquid lipstick formula, it's not really our go-to. But for a liquid lipstick, like a matte liquid lipstick, it is really comfortable. I will just say it does dry down like really quickly. Maybe just all liquid lipsticks dry down really quickly. I just haven't used a liquid lipstick in forever that I'm like, wow, this is like settling in. Because what I like to do is take a brush and like blur it out around the edges to give me more of a blotted look. So is it my favorite liquid lipstick ever? No. But is it the worst? No as well. I think it's just good. And the shade itself, like, I think I have something really similar to this. I do like the shade though. It reminds me of Pink Moon from Kaleidos, or SO5 from Flower Nose, which has been one of my recent favorites. It's kind of like that, but I would say a little bit more mauvey, a little bit deeper. The shade is really pretty, and I think it suits everything that I have on my face from Too Faced today because I'm wearing everything that I talked about today. So yeah, I mean, it's like not horrible, but it's not like my favorite formula. But I think if you're a fan of liquid lipsticks, like matte liquid lipsticks, I think you would really like this. So with that being said, that was 5 trending Too Faced products in China as of recent, according to that TikTok. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Have you tried any of these? Are these any of your favorite? As you can tell, I really do love a lot of these products, so I would love to know what you guys think down below. I really love this type of video to film. So that creator, she also recommends other brands as well. So I'm thinking of doing the Essence one and maybe Catrice, because those are products I can get here. But there's some products like we don't carry in New Zealand, even if we carry the brand. So yeah, I want to do another video like this. So let me know, go on her page, give her a follow. Let me know if you want to see like another type of video like this. I can definitely do, or if you want to send me screenshots of viral products. I actually don't have the app, I only have Little Red Book. But yeah, if there's any viral products that you want me to try, do a video like this by a brand, I would love to do it because I really had a lot of fun filming today's video. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up for me. It really does help me and my channel out a lot. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!